21 kilometers, 925 meters of elevation with a finishing time of 2 hours, 45 minutes, and 36 seconds. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Matt, and this is my first half marathon trail race. It's finally here. Bear Mountain is officially on. Just like that. Let's get it. So right off the start, it's just a hill climb. By the time we're at the 4K, I was already at 326 meters of elevation.
5K in. Whew. Doing good. We got some downhill now. Across the uphill. Last few K, so we're at the halfway point.
Coming through the halfway point, it was just awesome to come through and see everybody and get the cheers and get the stoke going again before you head up and do another lap.
What's up? Woo! Okay, we're on red side now. 12K to go. We're at the halfway point. We just ran through the finish line, start line. Whew. Getting some goose in me. Oh, the calories are keeping down. Feeling good. Man, this is a push. This is quite the mountain.
Shortly after I crossed over to red and started heading up, probably about like 15K mark, that's when it started setting in. The race was starting to feel long at that point. It was getting a little tough.
This shit's hard. It's definitely a mind fuck. Whew. Oh, I'm working on it. Oh, man. All right, just about to hit 18K in. So we still got a few to go. Oh, definitely pushing. Definitely in the time to dig a little deep here. Legs are holding up. Nutrition's good. Oh man, it's just mental. Just gotta get it going. Right now I'm just trying to run what I can run because I know there's some punchy uphill stuff. And whatever, hike some other things. Oh man. Do not underestimate the power of aid station candy. Man. Oh, it's like new life. Oh, that's all. Back at it. Oh, look who joined us. What's up, Christina? Oh, yeah. Fuck.
Getting that candy at the aid station definitely picked up the spirit a little bit, but my legs were pretty cooked by that point, and I was just looking forward to finishing, getting it over with.
Oh, yeah. We're here. We're here. Oh. Woo! Oh, we're here. Finish line, let's do this.
Thompson. And finishing 21 kilometers. Make some noise for Matthew Bullen, finishing in a time of 2 hours, 45 minutes, and 36 seconds.
Good, it's a good time. Oh, was
45 minutes and 48 seconds.
There.
Good job.
Holy.
Bryce Ferry with a time of 2
job,
hours,
buddy.
55 minutes, and 2 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.